What's up, guys? So I'm back, still alive. Thank God. Okay. Well, I just finished like two boxes of durian, and it's only one of the box is good. So we'll be taking another box back to the store to hopefully get an exchange because it tastes really freaking bad. You can check my Insta if you don't believe it. Okay, so anyways, I should have a lot to share about Mount Kinabalu, but I think I'll probably make a proper video for the trip because this is like a once in a lifetime trip, and I want to make it like perfectly, not that perfectly kind of video, and not just like a regular daily vlog-ish video. I don't know whether if you get me or not, but then yeah, that's what I'm going to do with the Mount Kinabalu video. So it's probably gonna be done by next week, but then by next week I'll be kind of busy in Miri, and then I'll be stopping the daily vlog, so videos will be coming out quite slowly. So it might be like 2 videos a week or like 1 video a week, so we'll see. But yeah, this daily vlog thing is really fun for me. I'm really liking it. So yeah, I'll be releasing the actual video next week, but it doesn't mean that I cannot share with you guys some of my experience. Oh, that's a mouthful. Okay, so my experience, like the overall trip is like, what word can I use to describe the trip? I can say it's very challenging. I would say not a lot of people are actually really ready to go out there. No one's actually prepared to go out there. But then again, not everyone is prepared for everything. That's what I would like to say. But for me and my friends, we are not actually really ready to conquer the mountains, to actually climb up the mountains, but then we actually just go and do it, and then you know next week what happens. But spoiler alert, if you're alert about my Instagram stories, then you know. But yeah, the trip really teaches me a lot in life. Like the quote that I used just now is that no one's actually ready for everything. Like in life, sometimes life happens so fast that you're not actually prepared to go and handle them, to go and deal with it. So yeah, the trip teaches me that, as like sometimes you just have to like really be fast on your feet and really just think quicker when it comes to problem solving, or like in times of like doubt. Because sometimes life just throws you a lot of stuff all at once, and then you wouldn't be able to prepare for that. And then some people might handle it like badly, and then it might go worse than how the situation is. But some people handle it quite well when it comes to handling the challenges. So they are the ones that they will definitely survive in this world, and definitely like exceed their own limitations. I'm not sure if that's the appropriate metaphor, but then I hope you guys get the point. So yeah, I wasn't expecting anything from the trip. It's just really challenging. You guys just have to be alert on the actual video where I discuss more about the trip, about how it actually feels and everything. It'll be, I want to make like more or less like a 10-minute video. It's more of a documentary-ish video, and mix it with a little bit of like a vlog, a little bit of like a vlog-ish scenes, so it will be more raw and more personal, I would say. So yeah, it's really good to be back. I can say it's definitely a life-changing moment for me, and I would say for my friends as well. So yeah, I guess this video is just telling you a bit of how do I feel after coming up and down from the mountains. Oh yeah, I actually should have shared with you guys what I've been doing today, and then how does it feel after the climb. I can just describe it very simply. My legs hurt like hell. It feels like it's failing me. But then just now we went to a Melgor, and I feel like it's actually okay. I still can handle it a bit, but this morning it really just sucks. And then I slept for like almost 12 hours last night. It's a very relaxing and tough day for me today, because I slept a lot. It's really hard for me to do even like walking down the stairs or climbing up the stairs. But then nothing much happened today. It's all just eating and then walking around, buying stuff, and then meeting up with my old teacher from Bintulu at Imago, and then some old not all, like some aunties from back when I met them in Bintulu. Yeah, but most of the time I'm suffering when it comes to going down or going up, like stairs. Oh my gosh, stairs. But yeah, I would like to say no pain, no gain, but then like I don't feel like I'm gaining anything yet. It's just all pain in my legs, but I mean my arms are still okay. But then definitely my legs change, and so does my mind. I'm not sure about my heart though. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end it here. I guess have to wake up early tomorrow. So you guys will see like a regularly scheduled daily vlog tomorrow. I don't think I'll make any videos for yesterday and the day before because I'm saving it for next week. So yeah, thank you guys for following my daily vlog for these few days. Hope to create something interesting tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that and the day after that. This is my last day of the daily vlog. So yeah, see you guys. Ciao. Oh wait, don't stop and keep on creating.